It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Let's explore the magic of art. We've all been creative from the very start. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Hi, my name is Jean from The Artful Parent, and I believe that creativity starts at home. And with this series, I'm going to introduce you to some easy and fun art activities that you can do with your family from the comfort of your own home. Let's create! Today we're going to do raised salt painting. This is a super fun and easy art activity that kids of all ages can do. Basically, you'll draw a picture with glue, sprinkle salt over that glue, and then add watercolor paint to the salt-covered glue lines and watch as it travels along the glue lines. Let's gather our materials. We're going to gather our materials, and for raised salt painting, this is what we'll need. We're going to need something to protect the table. I have a tray, some sturdy paper, like watercolor paper or poster board, a bottle of glue, some liquid watercolor paints, a paintbrush, lots of salt, and a baking dish to put the salt in. So not that much, but why don't you go gather your materials now so we can do this art activity together. It's time to set up for success. We're going to pour our salt into the baking dish. Daphne, would you like to do that? And you can pour all of it in. We'll do a lot of raised salt painting. Okay, so now we're going to set our salt aside. We don't need it quite yet. And the first thing we're going to do is draw a picture on our paper with our bottle of glue. And we use white Elmer's glue, or school glue. Let's create. To make our raised salt painting, we're going to start by drawing a design with the glue bottle onto cardstock or heavy paper, and then sprinkling salt over that glue design and shaking the excess salt off until your glue design is covered with salt. And then you will take your paintbrush and dip it in the liquid watercolor paint, and then gently touch the paint-soaked paintbrush to one of the salt-covered glue lines. And watch as the paint travels along that salt-covered glue line. And this happens because of the wicking action of the salt. So continue with the different colors of watercolor paint, as many colors as you like. You can do this with just a couple colors if you like, or a whole rainbow of colors. Then continue until you are happy with the design, and then set it aside to dry. It will take overnight at least to dry, depending on how much glue was used and how much paint. And then you can, after you set that one aside, you can start a new one if you like. Make as many as you like. And once these dry, they dry hard and crystalline, beautiful, sparkly paintings of glue and salt and watercolors. And you can do this with abstract designs, squiggles, scribbles. You can do it with faces, pictures, anything you like.